Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy MYRO coin on any of the platforms you want and on which of the markets it is. As you can see, it is on Solana network, so it may not be on every blockchain, on every exchange platform. As you can see, it is on MYRO, on Bybit, on Gate.io, and the biggest volume would be on HTX. So maybe let's try today Gate.io. So I'm just gonna use my phone today. So now I'm on my phone here and I want to go ahead and search on the search bar and write down MYRO. Now here is MYRO USDT. You can go ahead and spot. You can also go ahead and click convert MYRO. So let's click convert MYRO. And after that, you want to go ahead and switch from spend USDT to receive MYRO. After that, you will be able to write down how much you want to spend, and you will get MYRO here, just like so. After that, you will be able to convert it. Another way is to go ahead and go on spot trading, click on MYRO USDT and click on buy. Now you will be able again to enter the amount of MYRO you want to buy and click buy MYRO, and it will be on your assets here on Gate.io. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.